Hey, I'm Zach Potter, and today I want to lead you on a yoga-based breathwork session. So we will be doing a two-part breath with our stomach and our chest somewhat separately, and we will be using one technique, a yoga-based technique called Ujjayi breath, which means victorious breath. The way we do this breath, and I'm going to be sitting up to show you this one, but the rest we'll do on our back today. This practice is like exhaling on a mirror. So I want you to have a mirror in your hand, and I want you to fog up the mirror by going, ah. You'll feel yourself contracting what's called your glottis, and that constricts the vessel as you, which actually provides resistance for us to strengthen our breath upon. So when we are breathing in here, if you can, as you start to get the hang of it, I want you to exhale an Ujjayi breath of exhaling. But there's one trick or one thing we have to add on to that. It's with our mouth closed, so it's just through the nose. So let's come onto our backs, and I want you to just follow my voice as we go on this breathwork journey to increase our lung, pulmonary health, and center our minds and hearts. Coming onto our back, spread yourself out to a very comfortable position. That's the most important starting point. Be comfortable. I like to open the legs out kind of wide and place one hand on your belly, on your stomach, and one hand on your chest. From here, I want you to feel the breath that already exists. Just feel. And now I want you to start to slowly exaggerate the natural breath you have. Continue to exaggerate the fullness of your breath, but I want you to think about two distinct regions this breath is coming from. Your belly as you inhale, and then your chest, and almost your upper back and your sides. Feel your whole rib cage grow as you take a full breath in your upper lungs. Feel the exhale as it comes out of the upper lungs and upper chest, and also feel how much we can exhale out of the stomach and belly. Continue that breath, full breaths, belly to stomach, stomach to belly. Throughout this practice, we will keep this base breath of a full inhale and a full exhale with an Ujjayi breath exhalation. Not to a level of discomfort, but I want you to focus on how much you can inhale at the top. How deep and tall can you get your breath? still keeping a tall breath, I want you to focus on how much you can exhale at the very end of your breath. Never to discomfort, but do challenge yourself and see how much you can exhale. Continue in this yoga breathwork session as long as you need. Explore, feel your breath, connect, and take strong, powerful inhalations and exhalations. Or if we just want to wrap up a quick breath session, this is a great time to kind of pull the knees in towards the chest, give them a squeeze, maybe make a couple circles, relax your back. If it feels too good, it might be time to do a yoga series, a nice restorative yoga series after this breathwork session. And let's come up to a seat, either off to the side or down the center, rolling up. And I still have a residual of that fuller breath pattern. And that's one of our goals, is that as we become mindful and focus on these breathwork patterns on a daily routine, that we can ingrain this into our normal everyday health and how relaxed we feel in our own body. So I'm glad you joined me in this breathwork session, and I hope you join me in other sessions as well.